Hi, I'm Dory Mueller with Davenport Realty. I'm just a short trail away from Ipperwash Beach at Lake Huron, here to show you my latest listing at 9681 Richardson Drive. This 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home is lovingly called Alpine House by the owners. When you see the European flair of the front of the home and the tree-lined lot, you'll understand why. This is a great area in southwestern Ontario, what we call southwestern cottage country. A beautiful spot, a short walk to the beach, a short walk to trails, and a great updated home. Lots of updates in pristine condition. You'll love to see it. I welcome you to come in and take a look at Alpine House. We'll take a look at the back area as well and get to know this location because it's perfect whether primary, secondary, retirement, investment. This is a 4-season property on owned land. It can be used year-round, and it's a perfect opportunity to have cottage life. Let's go take a look.